Next column is gender. So what we need to do is to look for the values in the column. So to verify whether everything is okay or what needs to be done. So here the easiest thing for us to do or to check the values is to do a table, and this is not the only way this can be done, so this is one of the ways. So you run that and then you see there are some with a suffix of star. So if you get rid of the star, then that will fix the column. Okay. So we have str remove. Remember we did str remove and str remove all, the two functions that we saw. So if you did df1, so let's first test it first. Okay, df1 gender, right? Well, str remove, okay, df1 gender, and what do we want to remove? Okay, so if you say star, okay, that's not going to work because star is a special character, so that's going to throw an error. So we have to escape the star. Okay, escaping the star is with a backslash. Okay, so we need backslash star, but backslash itself is a special character. So you need to have two backslashes. So you'll get one backslash and then a star. Now that will work. Okay. So now we want to put that back into gender. Okay. So now that will strip the stars and then put the cleaned values of the column back into it. Okay. Now if you go and run the table, you should see only F and M. Okay. So that's taken care of. Age in years. Okay. So again, this is supposed to be a numeric variable, right? So we can check that and see whether it is numeric or not. You know, you can say class df1 age in years. Okay. Then you get numeric. Okay. All right. So it is numeric, so that's good. But are there any extreme values? So if you have age in years and you have like 250 or something, you know there is a problem, right? So to check whether there are any unreasonable values in that column, we can do a summary of df1 age in years, okay, and then check the statistics. So you get a minimum of 21.1, the maximum of 59.47, then you have the median, the first median mean, first quartile and third quartile, and all of this looks good. Okay, so there are no obvious problems there. Okay, so we'll move on to the next one, and once again we have the same situation. This is supposed to be year of joining. You know, if it is a date variable, that's great, but at least you want it to be a numeric variable, right? So let's see what it is. So you have class df1, all right, year of joining, then you see that it is character. Okay, so So we need to figure out what's going on. Okay. So we can try to convert these. So go back and look at the first few values, and you see these are 4-digit. Right now they are 4-digit characters, 4-digit strings. So, but if I say I'm going to convert it to numeric, okay, so I'm going to get error now because there are obviously some entries there, some values which are not numeric. That's the reason why it's been read in as a character column. So let's see. Okay, now if I run that, then you see that most of it gets converted, but then there are some NAs, and these are the problem values. There is something there that's converting the, well, that's saving the values as character. So what we can do here is df1, right? Year of joining. Okay, so year of joining, right? We can check whether it is okay. So when it converts the value into numeric, am I getting a missing value? So if I'm getting the missing value, then I want to look at that. Okay, so this warning is coming from the fact that as numeric is giving an error for these. Okay, so these are the problem items. So you can see that 0 is entered as O's. So we have to fix that, and once we fix that, then it'll be all right. Okay, so again, let's try first year of joining. Okay, and well, we need str replace. From year of joining, we want to replace O with 0. Again, these are characters, so we have to replace the character O with the character 0. Okay. All right. So now you see that this has worked. So we can put it back in, okay, like that. Okay. All right, so now we need, these are characters, so you want to convert this into date. So I wonder whether as date will work. Convert character object, okay. As date, let's try what we have in as date. Format, okay, so we have to give format, try format, okay. I wonder whether we need format at all, okay. So if you say as date, df1 year of joining. Okay, so that's not going to work. And then you say format equal to percentage. This is a 4-digit. These are 4-digit years. Okay, so let's see whether this will work. All right, so this works. So let's copy that and put it into a code chunk here. And so df1 year of joining. Okay, so sometimes you have to do some trial and error and see what works. Okay, so we replaced O's with zeros, and now we are converting those character string of 4 digits into a date. And then let's print that out and then see. All right. So here year of joining is date. Okay, so let's take that out. Now we don't need that anymore. Okay, so that takes care of year of joining. Okay, next is age in the company.